Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to set or change the HTTP proxy password. Firstly, we'll check if an encrypted proxy password exists on our Atom or not. So for that, you should go to your Boomi platform, manage Atom management page, select your respective Atom and under properties panel, under advanced properties, if you have already set a proxy password for your Atom, it should be visible here as an encrypted proxy password, but we couldn't see anything as such, and it is also present over here. So that means there is no proper proxy password already set for this Atom. So we'll see how to set it for your Atom. So let's get started. To set the proxy password, you should uh, go to the installation directory of your Atom and config folder, and here you should select your container properties file and open your container properties file. Add this property com.boomi.container.proxy password.encrypted. It is whatever property you are seeing here is case sensitive. Let's set a value. Let it be test123. Save the file. So we have added the property and it have been already saved. So that means there is a proxy password set for our Atom and it should get reflected here uh, as discussed earlier. So go to advanced, you could see a proxy password, encrypted proxy password. It cannot be edited from UI. So if you want to change your proxy password, so there is a different procedure that you need to follow. So to change the password once it has been set and encrypted on the Atom, you should delete the encrypted proxy password property and then set a new password again. So we have deleted the property by clicking on the delete icon. Now we have to set a new property as described earlier. I've deleted the proxy password and we need to save it. You can also directly change the password from your container properties file. So now again, I have to, so to reflect the changes, definitely it'll ask for an Atom restart. So let's restart the Atom. And now I have to set a new property. So again, I have to go back to my Atom installation directory and then I have to go to the container properties. You could see that the property been deleted and it's not seen here. So again, to set a new property, again, you have to add the same property and set the value like this. So this is how you will uh, set or change the proxy password for your Atom. So similarly, if your forward proxy requires authentication, then you need to set your system properties in the Atom management page. So we'll see how to do it in this video. So we will set the system properties to enable the basic authentication schema. If there is a requirement of authentication for the proxy, so for that again you need to go to manage Atom management and select your Atom. Under properties panel, now you'll select your custom properties, and under custom properties it have to set at the system properties. So click on the add a property. Now, there are two properties here based upon the connection type. So the connection types are secure HTTPS connection or unsecure HTTPS connection. So based upon our connection type, we have to set the property for forward proxy requires user authentication or not. So let's say if our connection type is a secure HTTP connection, then set the property that is shown on the screen, that is t say tk dot http auth dot tunneling dot disabled schemes. So the property is dzadk.http.auth dot tunneling dot disabled schemes. And please note again, it is a case sensitive one. So this property you'll set for a secure HTTP connections. If it is an unsecure HTTP connection, so instead of tunneling, there is a minor change that is proxying. So for the unsecure HTTP connections, it will be dzadk.http.auth.proxying.disabled schemes. So these are the two properties that you have to set based upon the connection type. Uh, if the forward proxy requires user authentication or not. So these are the various properties that you need to set. For your HTTP proxy, and this is how we can set or change the proxy password. Thank you.